Hello, this is Janet here from her home in Worcestershire. Can I ask a little favour of you? I've started a second YouTube channel called The Writing Corner. It's where I'm collecting all my family stories and memories into one place for future generations of my family, and also for anyone who enjoys a little nostalgia. If you'd like to come with me on that journey, I'd be absolutely delighted. And you just need to search The Writing Corner. Thank you so much for all your kindness and support and encouragement over these last few months. And I hope that you will join me very soon on my new channel. Bye for now. Hello, Janet here from her kitchen in sunny Worcestershire. And today I am thinking about someone who sent in a message recently saying it was a bit of a chore thinking of food to cook for one. And what I'm doing today is something for lunch for one, but it could just as easily be a main course. And it involves a tin of sardines. Now, I don't know whether you like sardines. I was brought up on sardines and pilchards and roe from the fish shop. This one's in tomato sauce, but it could be in olive oil or in other oils. One tomato and some pesto. I'm using a slice of sourdough that I'm going to toast under the grill now. So everything under the grill and only takes a few minutes. So a slice of sourdough, one tomato, some pesto and sardines, and we're away. Now I've lightly toasted the bread. This is sourdough, but you could use white bread or wholemeal bread, whatever bread you like. The next thing is to put some pesto onto the top of the toast, which gives it a lovely flavour. And you can have as little or as much as this as you like, but it certainly makes a nice combination. There we are, just spread over as if you were spreading jam. The next thing is to add the sardines, and my mother bought me this many moons ago. She knew how difficult opening cans gets as you get older. So thank you, Mum, for the thought. And the sardines go on the top and then mushed down. And I normally try to put the whole can on, which means that this is quite a high protein meal. There we go. Complete with tomato sauce, all good stuff. Spread it around. And then slice the tomato fairly finely. This is one I picked out of the garden this morning. Couldn't be fresher. And that pops on the top, like this. So about one small tomato. And then I just give it a good sprinkling of pepper and under the grill for a few minutes. Job done. There we are, just a few minutes under the grill, and I'm just going to lift it onto here so I can cut it. It can be a bit messy when you come to cut it up. And I was thinking about this. These are sardines, but it could be mackerel. You could use salmon. It could just be cheese on toast, couldn't it? Let's be honest. Anything that is quick and easy, but with a few layers of flavour. I say I like this because of the pesto. Onto the plate, and there you have it. Lunch, well, in less than 10 minutes, but not much more than 5, I would say. I hope that's given you a bit of inspiration. If you like sardines, you'll love this, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Give me a like, send me a comment, subscribe to the channel. You know what you have to do. Bye for now.